New at 6 for you, we continue to follow the story of West Toledo parents Jason and Marianne Baran. Jason is already in custody. Marianne is due in court Tuesday. Law enforcement saying they kept their 4 children in inhumane living conditions. Leaders at Lucas County Children's Services say state workers are required by law to report signs of abuse, but that sometimes it's on the community to speak up. Tatiana Cash explains.
Abuse can happen regardless to a child's behavior. Children become accustomed to the environment in which they live in, and it may be different from someone else's.
For the 4 children living under Jason and Marianne Baran's roof, Toledo police report their home as filthy living conditions with gnats, feces, and circular burn marks on the children's bodies. TPD is currently running an internal affairs investigation after it was discovered officers were called out to the Barron's residence for child wellness checks in both June and July. However, arrests were not made until late August. Lucas County Children's Services stresses the importance of community members keep calling if you think there's trouble.
Because of confidentiality in situations, we can't absolutely tell you what we did or did not find, what did or did not rise to the level that is required for us to do something as strong as removing children from a situation.
Both LCCS workers Nicole Williams and Donna Seeds understand some people don't want to get involved on the off chance they're wrong. Fear of retaliation from the family and the concern of being the reason a family is ripped apart.
47% of our cases last year were served in children's biological birth homes. And so it's important to remember that we can bring interventions and we can bring services and we can bring help.
The goal is always to try and keep families intact and never to remove children. But there are times that we have to do, and we do make all efforts to return those children back with their families.
Williams says parenting can sometimes be tough, but it's okay to ask LCCS for help. Granted, asking is sometimes just as hard.
For anyone, it is always hard to ask for help, but when you need help, you need not be scrutinized for receiving the help.
The organization offers classes, therapies, and assistance for those who qualify. While state employees like teachers, social workers, first responders are required by law to report abuse, everyone is encouraged to say something if they see something.
Any one of those, whether it's a short time, one-time occurrence to something that you see that is chronically happening to children, are still important to notify us about.
Tatiana Cash, WTOL 11.